Welcome to Glitz Nails and Design. In today's video, we are going to explore a stunning array of nail art designs and ideas that will ignite our creativity. This video showcases various styles, from elegant to bold, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Have you ever wondered why pink sparkle nails make such a powerful statement? This isn't just about pretty colors. Pink activates the same brain regions associated with feelings of confidence and femininity, while sparkles create microlight reflections that naturally draw human attention. The combination triggers what psychologists call the magpie effect, where we instinctively attracted to shimmering objects. Professional nail artists know this secret, which is why they layer different pink tones from rose gold to fuchsia, then add holographic glitter on top. The result? Nails that literally hypnotize people into looking. Try this technique next time you want to command attention without saying a word. Ever wondered why peach and white nails are taking over social media? This dreamy color combo isn't just trendy, it's actually psychology at work. Peach triggers feelings of warmth and approachability, while white adds that clean, sophisticated edge that screams elegance. The contrast creates visual interest without being overwhelming, making your hands look instantly more polished and put together. For a pro tip, try a peach base with white accent nails or go bold with geometric white patterns on peachy backgrounds. Light blue and peach nails are absolutely everywhere right now. These dreamy pastel shades create the perfect aesthetic. Start with a clean base coat, then apply soft baby blue, and also use a delicate peach shade on your remaining nails for that gorgeous contrast. This color combination works because blue and peach are complementary on the color wheel, creating visual harmony that's both calming and elegant. Perfect for any occasion, this design screams sophistication while staying playful. Your nails will literally glow. Did you know your nails can literally bloom like a garden? Today I'm showing you how to create stunning floral blossom nail art that'll make everyone ask where you got them done. This design works perfectly for spring events or whenever you want that fresh feminine vibe. Trust me, once you master this technique, you'll be creating flower gardens on your fingertips every week. Have you ever wondered why yellow and black flowers make the most stunning nail art? This color combo isn't just beautiful, it's psychology in action. Yellow triggers happiness and energy, while black adds sophistication and drama. When you combine them with gem accents, you're creating a design that literally makes people feel good when they look at your nails. This design works for any season and elevates any outfit from casual to elegant. This asymmetrical pink and black combo is driving nail artists crazy, and here's why it works so perfectly. The magic happens when you add those black lines to the light and dark pink nails. But here's the secret most people miss. Don't make them the same. The contrast creates visual tension that's impossible to ignore. Did you know your nail color could literally change how people perceive your personality? This stunning multicolor design combining pink, blue, yellow, and orange isn't just trendy, it's psychological warfare. Pink signals creativity and warmth, blue radiates confidence and trustworthiness, while orange and yellow screams bold leadership energy. When you layer these colors together, you're sending mixed signals that keep people intrigued and wanting to know more about you. You've probably seen basic nail art, but this delicate flower and pearl design will make people stop and stare. Start with a nude base coat for that elegant foundation, then using a thin brush, paint tiny white and pink flowers. The secret is keeping them small and scattered naturally. While the flowers dry, grab tiny pearl beads and place them strategically using builder gel. Use clear top coat to secure everything. The contrast between soft florals and lustrous pearls creates an incredibly sophisticated look that works for weddings, dates, or whenever you want to feel polished. Have you ever wondered why fiery nail art on black bases looks so incredibly striking? The secret lies in color theory and visual contrast. When vibrant oranges, pinks, and purples dance across deep black, your eyes can't look away because of something called simultaneous contrast. The black base makes every fiery hue appear more saturated and intense than it actually is. This creates an optical illusion that literally makes the colors pop off your nails. Professional nail artists use this technique because black absorbs light, while bright colors reflect it, creating maximum visual impact. Next time you see stunning flame-inspired nail art, remember it's not just beautiful design, it's pure science making your nails absolutely mesmerizing. Milky nails continue to trend on social media. This dreamy manicure trend combines sheer translucent polish that catches light beautifully. Start with a milky white or nude base coat for that signature glass-like finish. The key is restraint, as less is more with this elegant look. This versatile design works for any occasion, from casual coffee dates to formal events. The subtle sparkle on the accent nail adds just enough glamour without being overwhelming. Ready to try this gorgeous trend yourself? Ever wondered why nail artists are obsessed with green and gold leaf designs? These stunning autumn-inspired nails using green and white polish with gold metallics aren't just trendy, they're actually easier than you think. The metallic contrast creates an expensive luxury look that photographs beautifully under any lighting. This technique also works on any nail length. This mesmerizing orange and black swirl nail design looks captivating, and the secret lies in the technique that transforms simple colors into stunning nail art. Start with a nude base, then add vibrant orange gel base polish. Next, apply black gel polish in strategic lines with dots across the nail surface. Then finish off with a glitter gold gel polish. This pink and blue ombre design with beautiful sparkles just screams beautiful and simple spring-summer vibes. Start with a light pink base polish, then add in the blue polish for that beautiful asymmetrical design, and finish with a silver light glitter gel polish. And for our last nail art design inspo, this is a dreamy manicure that combines creamy white bases with gorgeous ombre French tips that fade seamlessly into pure white. The look mimics the soft, translucent appearance of milk, creating an ethereal effect that's both elegant and modern. First, start with a sheer white or nude base coat, then use a makeup sponge to dab white polish from the tip downward, blending for that perfect gradient. The key is building thin layers and working quickly while the polish is wet. This technique creates depth and dimension that regular French manicures cannot match. Perfect for weddings, special events, or when you want sophisticated nails that catch light beautifully. The milk nail trend proves that sometimes the most stunning looks come from the simplest inspirations. Thank you for watching. If you liked or learned something, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon, as we are dedicated to bringing you inspirational nail art design videos. You can also check out our nail art tutorial videos on our channel.